Flatbread, cheddar cheese, parmesan, tomato sauce. Simple. So, flatbread on the tray. Tomato sauce, couple of tablespoons. Spread it around. Lovely. Oh, there we go. Bit more on there. Okay. So there we go. Flatbread, tomato sauce. Nice amount of tomato sauce on there. Cheddar cheese. Sprinkle it on top. And I've also got a little bit of grated parmesan here as well. So I'm just going to sprinkle on that. That's it. Okay. So there you have cheese and tomato flatbread. Straight in the oven for 5 minutes, take it out, we'll have a look. Right, so I'm getting a really cheesy smell, so I guess the pizza's just about ready with a flatbread. So take a look and see how we're going. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that one. Oh my god. And then we have my tomato and cheese flatbread. There we go. Stick that over there. Let's grab a plate. And there we go. Tomato and cheese flatbread. Thank you. Tomato and cheese flatbread. Thank you. Oh, it's hot. The cheese is hot, man. Melted around my finger. Okay, shut up, Christopher. Christopher. Okay. Get that one on there. There we go. There we go. That's my tomato and cheese, tomato and peas, tomato and cheese, cheese, peas, tomato and peas. No, it's tomato. It's tomato and cheese pizza cut into little squares. Well, rectangles with circular edges and stuff. Anyway, thank you.